and welcome back to another vlog. This is our first vlog of 2021. So
officially,
yeah, because when we did the New Year video vlog, we almost
2020 and 2021
and 2021. Yeah. So yep, it's 6 o'clock right now, and it is Saturday. So
and Marvel got some.
Oh yeah, today has been a pretty busy day. Basically, Marvel got his 2 of his shots.
His rabies and
DAP shots, and then we gave him a bath, and then I cleaned the top floor. Yeah. Basically, and tomorrow I'm gonna clean the first floor. And right now we are going to Walmart. I need to get something for the bathroom, but I am very excited for tonight's dinner because I'm gonna make something that is trending way too much in TikTok, and it's what do you call it? It's a wrap. It's the way you eat the wrap. Yeah. Basically, tortilla wrap. How you eat it, it's trending that way. So I'm gonna make that tonight for dinner. I'm gonna share it with you guys, and let's see how it looked really delicious.
I mean, you can be creative with that because you can put whatever you want. But we're gonna put our stuff in there.
But the way you make it, I'm gonna make it exactly how they showed in TikTok, and it looked delicious. So yeah.
Yep.
We are back from Walmart, and we got some hangers. I need some hanger, and we got
a shelf,
a bathroom shelf that we are gonna make it right now and put it in our behind our toilet.
भैया पूरा घर ऐसा लग रहा है खुद से ही बनाए हैं हम।
तो क्या करूं?
ऊपर की बत्ती जलाएं?
चलो।
आई थिंक इजी होगी बनानी। क्या ही लाइट करी इसमें?
ये फुल है ना? Alexa, increase master bedroom light to full. Alexa, increase master bedroom light to full.
बोलेगी कर तो दी।
अब फुल हुई है। Is done with the box. What is this, mister? What is this going on? I cleaned the house today, and what is this going on? A little bit over here, and then some over here. But thankfully they're just boxes, so I'm just gonna pick them up. But look at it. I mean, what is this, Mar? What are you doing?
Marvel, do you think that mommy daddy has nothing to do, so you create work for us?
Is this your kind of fun or enjoyment? What is this, mister?
Who is doing the naughty
Who is doing all the wrong things in the house? Don't wag your tail. Naughty. Started. Yeah, he'll take it out and then he'll throw it on the side. This was made, it didn't take too much time. It was easy. Basically, I'll show you where it goes. Remove the basket also. Yeah. I don't think it'll go with the rod, baby.
Maybe it won't go with the rod.
That's what I was telling you.
Who put the rod there?
And by the way, we love reading magazines. I don't know about him, but I do love reading magazines here. Food magazines.
Without magazines, I used to get involved in my phone and take so much time. Now you put magazines there.
So, do you mean to say are you gonna take forever now? So, this is what I was talking about. This is how I needed this stand over here to put my stuff. And now I'm gonna get some pretty plants or something decorative and something, yeah. And I'm gonna make it pretty slowly. But yeah, this is it.
Incoming.
Marvel was coming. All right, now Now?
Look what we did.
I know, I showed them.
ये नहीं पीछे रख रही?
नहीं, अब तो क्या रखूंगी इसमें ना? Look what I did over here. Look, just literally look at the carpet. Oh my god.
Excuse me, mister. आप थोड़ा सा डैडी को दे देंगे, आप थोड़ी सी फाई मत करिए.
So the thing that I'm making, you saw all the ingredients. This is the main tortilla wrap. We are using the sun-dried tomato flavor tortilla wrap. And the first thing that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grill some chicken with some salt, pepper, and Cajun seasoning. And then once I'm gonna shred them then, and then I'm gonna show you the main thing that what it is all about. We have all our fillings: onion, pepper, tomato, and then again onion, pepper, tomato. And these are the tortilla wraps. Let me show you what to do with this. Basically, all you have to do is go to the center and then make a slit like so. It has to be something like this, like so. And then when I do it, I'll show it to you.
Yeah, and just make sure when you slit, it has to be like exact half.
Yeah. Chicken is all done. I'm gonna shred it now.
By the way, we both are making ours a little bit different. She likes hers to, it's the same concept, but just she likes like her veggies to be raw, and I like it to be grilled. So mine are grilling in there, and I'll have them a little bit of grill and then keep them. That's it. That's the difference. She is using a cashew queso in there, and I'm using a pepper jack cheese with a white cheddar.
My first part over here, I'm gonna add onions. Alright, and next I'm gonna add the cashew queso from Sieta Foods. This is in my nacho flavor. I'm gonna add some of this over here. Spread it like this. A little extra, because so good. And then on top of this, okay, and then on top of this I'm gonna add the chicken, so the chicken gets extra flavor. Woo. Alright, this looks good. And then I am gonna add sweet peppers over here. They are just raw. If you like them grilled or a little bit cooked, you can go ahead and grill it. And then over here I'm gonna add tomato. And this is how it looks right now. What you need to do is take this and flip it on top of this one, and then turn your plate around and flip this whole thing over here. Again, turn your plate around and flip this whole thing over here, and it becomes like a pocket that you can see, and then put this thing in the grill and grill it. And then all you need to do is pick this up gently and place it here. Pick this up gently and place it here. Ooh, look at that. Oh. They look ready. Oh my god, look at that.
Eating it with a little bit of spicy Lay's and the salt and vinegar Lay's chips, and that's Tanya's. And look at all those layers. Ooh, I can't wait to eat it. Look at that.
It looks so good.
Dinner is served.
Oh, treats for Mara. I'm gonna get it.
And we are watching Cobra Kai.
New season?
Yes. So Cobra Kai season 3 is out this January 1st. So we have already watched the other 2 seasons. So we are watching the 3rd season now. And that's it.
It is time to do the taste testing.
It's hot. Of course it will be hot.
Oh my god.
Good.
So good. The queso is tasting so good in this combination. It's nice and crunchy from outside.
Can't wait to eat. It's a successful recipe. You shouldn't wait to try. Good morning, and actually it's good afternoon. It's almost 1 o'clock. We woke up super duper late because again, today is Sunday and tomorrow life goes back to normal.
Yes, I cannot believe.
Yes, it's hard to believe that we have been enjoying our vacation for so long. It's kind of a staycation because not that we went anywhere, we were just staying home, but still it was so different. We were going to bed at 4 in the morning and like waking up at 10 and 11. But anyways, we had our fun, and now it's time to go back to work tomorrow. And we are excited about that as well, since we have got a good break.
Yes.
And we are ready to get back into gear. For now, we are having a sandwich that Tanya made from the leftovers. We had some boiled potatoes, some cheese, some bhujia. And we are just gonna have this because then after that, Tanya has planned for big cleaning day. Like she told you that she cleaned up the second floor yesterday, so she is gonna clean the
first floor today.
Yeah, the first floor today. So she's gonna do the cleaning, and I have to get back to some editing that I have to finish. So we have like divide and conquer rule going on today, and that's it. So that's the plan for the day, but of course you'll see how the day goes in our next vlog. So stay tuned for the next vlog, and we are gonna see you in our next vlog. Until then,